Okay, so welcome back. We're still working on the blog feed page, and in the last video we set everything up here with the proper code or whatever, and ended up having this kind of error or little glitch here. And I figured it out, and the way I figured it out, one, was I went to the codex, and just as a reminder, whenever you find yourself stuck on anything when working within WordPress, it's always good to just go straight to the docs and figure out what you're doing wrong, or uh, it maybe can help lead you to a solution of fixing your problem. But anyway, um, it turns out there are actually some options that we can pass through this function, and as you can see right here, you have thumbnail sizes. So what I did, obviously, in my code was I did not pass a size as a parameter, so by default it went to the full resolution, or the original size uploaded. What I actually want is thumbnail, because I don't want a really large image. So what I'm going to do is, inside here, I'm going to pass the thumbnail, and then I'll save it, and I'll switch back over and can close that out. And I'll just refresh it. And as you can see, WordPress auto-generated a thumbnail for me. So now everything's looking a little bit better. And let me see. Anyway, everything's nicely formatted. When I click on this image, it doesn't do anything. And what I'll go ahead and do as sort of the last thing is link these images to the post as well. So you can see we already have an anchor tag here with the class of pull left. I'm just gonna copy this out, and then I'll paste it here and save it and cancel that. And I think that's gonna be it for now. So let me switch back over and refresh, and there we go. Now we got our blog sort of system set up. There's one last thing I can do, and I know some of you are probably thinking right now, is what happens when I actually use this as a blog and I've got like 15 posts, and this page could get really long. Obviously what you'd want to do is kind of limit it and paginate it, which is pretty common practice, and I'm not going to do that. Actually, what I'm going to do, however, is I'm going to wrap up this entire series, and we'll call it just sort of the beginning series, and I'll start a new one. And in the new series, I'll be doing a little bit more advanced theming development, such as pagination, and also you can see here on the home page, we have things like this sort of tab content listing different things. We'll do more like advanced widget areas, and we'll also get into things like custom shortcodes and even plugin development, and more custom post type stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap up this theme, and I'll make it available for download on my website, which is easydevtoots.com, and we'll start a whole new fresh series. So I'm really excited about that, and I hope you are too. And here, I didn't even think about this, but look, our volcano's showing up here now. Anyway, thanks for watching this whole series.